We're doing the foam roll demo today. To do the foam rolling, you're going to need an 18-inch foam roller. And the foam roller is an excellent resource for your chiropractic adjustments in between visits, because it'll not only help you hold and maintain your adjustments, sometimes you can actually make an adjustment. So we're going to start out with the roll on the floor. Start out with the roll in your back, like so, knees bent. You're going to lay back over the roll, hold it in place, cross your arms across your chest here, and then you're going to tuck your chin and slowly roll down towards this way. There, it just moved. Using your legs, you're walking down until you get down to your neck. And then just place the roll in the small of your neck and do some rotational movements. And try to notice if one side's harder, try to do more to that side. When they start to feel more even, then you're going to place the roll under the base of the head here, and you're going to press your head into the roll, pressing and rotating. Then from there, we call this Superman because you're going to look just like Superman with your arms straight up and your knees bent. You're going to walk with your feet all the way up slowly. Until the roll is in the small of your back, and then allow the roll to rest in the small of your back for 10 to 30 seconds. From there, you want to slide the roll down to your tailbone or sacrum, lower one leg, hold on to the roll with your hand, and then you're going to pull your opposite knee over and try to touch the floor. Like so. And hold that. And then repeat that. Scoot over to the other side of the roll. Using the opposite hand, pull the knee over to the other side. And hold that. And then bring the legs back. Then you can place the roll again on the tailbone, bring the knees up, and just roll gently, holding on to the sides of the roll for support. Gently roll the hips back and forth over the sacrum, over the tailbone. And then sit up, placing the roll vertically or lengthwise up against your back. You're going to lay back over the roll, bending your knees, letting your head hang off the back. You're going to lay down on the roll with your head hanging off the back, your buttocks hanging off the bottom, and then place the arms out or to the side. And for this one, you want to lie on the roll for anywhere from 2 minutes up to 10 minutes. So what this is doing is it's putting curve in the neck, it's correcting the forward head posture, it's stretching out the rib cage, and it's tractioning the lower back. And it feels really good. So that's the foam roll demonstration, and I recommend that you do this at least once per day, even if it's only for a few minutes.